Hey, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, I am going to show you how to earn commissions online. Now, it doesn't matter if you're brand new here for the first time or if you don't know anything about how to earn money on the internet, or it doesn't matter if you got no technical skills or no experience, because I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can earn commissions online today. Who am I? My name is Richie Manuel. I got a wife and kids. I'm from a place called Auckland, New Zealand. I'm a mechanic by trade. I spent 10 plus years in the workforce working my 9 to 5. Then one day, while I was at work, my boss came up to me and he laid me off. This was back in 2019. As a result, I went downhill from there. I felt depressed, I felt negative, I started getting stressed out. On top of that, I tried to apply for job after job, but nobody was hiring at that time. So while I was in the dark space over the next few months back in 2019, I decided to get myself together. I finally found the courage and I decided to make a decision. I decided I wanted to be my own boss. And I made a decision and decided I was sick of listening to someone else. I was sick of listening to my boss or a boss. I was sick of listening to my managers. I was sick of listening to my team leaders. I was over it, guys, okay? So pretty much I made a decision in my mind to never go back to a 9 to 5 job, you know. And I have been working online since 2015 part-time, ever since I had a 9 to 5 job. Okay, so here it is, guys, right up front. How do we earn commissions online? Okay, we do a thing called affiliate marketing, traffic generation. We build a marketing system that has an autoresponder where we can send out a email broadcast. Now, I will go over these step by step and in more details throughout this presentation. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you sell products on behalf of our company. Like for an example, if someone's looking for a weight loss program, I don't know if you have it in your country, but we have it here in our country. They would go to a place called Jenny Craig. Now, Jenny Craig is a weight loss company that helps people to lose weight. Okay, well, on the internet, we do the same thing. Okay, it's like we are the middleman bridging the gap between sellers and buyers. The advantages of affiliate marketing are all the products, or most of the products, are digital, at least the ones that I get involved with. There are physical products as well, but for this presentation, we're going to focus on digital products. Okay, so when someone buys a digital product off you or off us or off an affiliate marketer like myself, we earn a commission. Okay, so that's how we make the commission online. Okay. Now, the best part about this is you do not need to know how to create your own product, guys, okay? Leave that for the experts, we're the people that just want to come in and we want to sell the product and we want to earn a commission. The next thing we need to learn about how to earn commissions online is traffic generation. Okay. Traffic generation is basically visitors to your website. For an example, if I was hungry for McDonald's, I would go to my local McDonald's store, right? Well, it's the same thing on the internet, guys. When someone is looking to lose weight, they would go to Google and type in, weight loss as an example. Then Google will bring up millions of results of websites that teach you how to lose weight. Well, it's the same thing on the internet, guys. Now, how do we generate traffic? One way to generate traffic is with solo ads. By far, it's the easiest paid method that I know, guys. All you have to do is pay money, and then a vendor, a solo ad vendor, will actually give you clicks just for your money. And by clicks, I mean visitors to your website. So basically, what a solo ad is you're tapping into someone else's list. There are people on the internet who have a targeted list of buyers and prospects on their list, okay? So we would go to them and, for an example, buy 100 clicks, okay? 100 clicks might cost 50 cents, just for the example of this video. Okay, so when I pay Mr. and Mrs. Jones $50 for 100 clicks, they will send 100 targeted visitors back to my website. Okay, so that's basically what a solo ad is. Okay, we also, another way you can generate traffic is through a Facebook method. Okay, now there's free and paid ways to generate traffic online. Obviously, free is going to take a lot of work, okay? But it's worth it because it's free, okay? So you save a lot in advertising costs. Whereas with paid traffic methods, the benefits of paid traffic is it's faster. The downfall is if you're not experienced or if you got no idea how to do it, you will lose a lot of money. And actually, paid traffic in general just costs money because it's paid. Okay, for an example, how do you think Facebook makes all their money? They make all their money through paid advertising, okay? Now, the best thing about generating traffic online is you don't need to know how to create the traffic, okay? Because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly where you can go to learn how to do solo ads, how to do a Facebook method, where you're going to be able to generate $1,000 in commissions. I'm going to show you both free and paid traffic methods at the end of this video. Okay, the next thing we do is we build a marketing system. Now, a marketing system is basically like our storefront online. It's like our presence on the internet. For an example, McDonald's. Everybody knows McDonald's. They got their own, storefront in many locations around the world. Okay. Well, on the internet, we do the same thing, but we don't have a physical store. We use what we call a website and a marketing system. Okay. Now, a marketing system consists of a landing page. A landing page is somewhere where someone comes to look at your offer, and then what you want to do is you actually want to get their details. For an example, you might want to get their name, their phone number, or their email address. Okay. Then after the landing page, we point them to our bridge page. A bridge page is basically showing people and showing them. A bridge page is basically bridging the gap from your landing page to your offer. Okay, so when people come to your bridge page, after that they would go to your actual offer where you make the commissions and where you make the money, guys. Okay, like I said, you need an offer. Okay, now at the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you exactly where you can go to build a simple marketing system, 2-page, plus I'm going to show you the perfect offer that you can get involved with where you can earn commissions within the next 24 hours. And the best thing is about all of this, about building a marketing system, you don't need to learn HTML or coding, and you don't need any technical skills. Okay, autoresponders and email marketing. Basically, what an autoresponder is, it's a sequence of follow-up emails. So when people get to your landing page, they put their email address in, and then, on the back end, your autoresponder is going to send out maybe 5 emails as an example. And basically, what you want to do there is you remind them of the offer that you're just trying to promote to them. Okay. Now, a broadcast is basically a one-time email sent out to your list. Now, the platform I use is called GetResponse. And at the end of this presentation, guys, I'm going to show you where you can get all of this and the training. Show you how to build a autoresponder, show you how to do email marketing. And the best part is you don't need to learn copywriting, okay? This is real simple stuff. Okay, so here's the options, guys. To make money or earn commissions online, you can either have it done for you or you can do it yourself. But here's the catch. With affiliate marketing, if you are brand new in this industry, it could take you up to 1 year just to learn this one skill alone about affiliate marketing. When I got involved with this industry, I think it took me like 3 to 6 months to figure out, exactly how the money was made. Okay. Now with traffic generation, 99% of people fail online because they don't know how to generate traffic. Okay. And if you do not know how to generate traffic, you are in trouble. You are setting yourself up for failure. Guys, I used to be in this MLM company. I'm not going to name the company, but I was in this MLM company. And they never taught me how to generate leads, guys. I used to ask, how do I get people into this business opportunity? And all I was told was, go to the training. Just go to the training. That's all my mentor and my sponsor ever told me, guys. And I just thought, this isn't going to work because I don't know how to generate a single lead. You have two options here. You can generate the traffic yourself or you can learn it yourself. Now, to learn how to generate traffic, if you are brand new, if you're brand new into this industry, it's going to take you at least 2 years, guys. But if you have it done for you, you can get it all done within 24 hours, guys. Okay. Building a marketing system. If you do it yourself, you are looking at a 2-year learning curve. Most systems, there's software where you build a marketing system now. You just click the mouse a couple of times and you can have a full-blown website within 24 hours. Okay? But if you're brand new and you got no idea what you're doing, this could take you up to 12 months to 2 years almost. Depending on where you go and who you learn from. But I will show you a done-for-you marketing system where you can have up and running within the next 24 hours, guys. Now, autoresponders and email marketing. Guys, this will take you if you're brand new, it'll take you another 2 to 1 year. If you try do it all on your own and by yourself without a mentor, without someone like me to help you, it took me years just to learn all of these, guys. Guys, I'll be straight up with you. The hardest things to learn is traffic generation, building a marketing system, and email marketing, okay? 99% of people always fail online because they don't know how to do these 3. Okay? Now I'm going to cut your learning curve by 5 to 2 years. Okay, I'm going to take 2 to 5 years off your learning curve right now. And I'm going to show you a done-for-you system that you can tap into today and have, commissions within the next 24 to 48 hours. Provided You do what I teach you to do, and when you do what I show you what to do. Now, the platform that I use is called Empire. Okay? Empire is an affiliate marketing course created by Fergal Downs. It's going to teach you how to make money online, earn commissions online, everything that I've just been talking about. Okay, what you will learn inside of Empire is everything that I've been talking about, guys. Going to learn about affiliate marketing. Going to learn traffic generation, both free and paid methods. You're going to learn how to build a basic marketing system. You're going to learn how to do an autoresponder and an email broadcast. Guys, I'm basically handing you the keys to success online. Nobody ever taught me this stuff back in the days when I got started. But if they had, man, I would have got started even earlier. To get started right now with Empire, it's going to cost you $1 for the first 14 days. Then after that, it's $37 a month, guys. It's affordable, it's low cost, okay? Now, a lot of platforms that teaches you the same stuff, some of those products, they cost hundreds. I saw a product that cost like $1,000. This one is only asking $37 a month. It's affordable, guys. Okay, less than $2 a day. Here's some proof and income of people who use Empire, including myself, to generate an income online. This particular result is $156. Down the bottom there, $112. This one here, one day, $2,148 in commissions. To your right, top right, you see $4,822 earned yesterday. Now at the bottom, yesterday you got over $1,000, guys. Insane results. Results not typical. This person has probably been online for years. I'm just gonna say 10 years, easy. Okay, this results here. Someone earned $46,000 in a month. This is insane, guys. My particular results, updated results, June the 18th, 2021, over $12,832 in commissions, guys. And the month is not even over, guys. So to get started, guys, click on the link in the description or just go to my website, okay? And we'll help you to get commissions online within the next 24 hours. Thank you for watching. My name is Richie Manuel. I will see you guys in the next video.